is Michael once again, and happy new month. And for old subscribers, I thank you for being part of this team as we grow this team, and I say a lot thank you. Thank you for happy ending, and for those who are watching us for the first time, whichever way you are watching us from the video, you are most welcome to this amazing community. Now, I call this 80k for Nigerians, 80,000 naira to alert rain. It is a possibility for you to make 3x your income before the end of the year. Now, this is already February as I'm doing this video right away, and you know that the year has gone that far. We have done already, so far so good. We have done 1 month and we have 11 months to go. And before you say anything now, you begin to see that the Christmas has just arrived. I'm sorry I'm doing this video outside at this hour now as a hearing sound. So you need to earn. Now, if you put money in your account, that 80,000 naira, I believe you, by December it's not going to duplicate for you. I'm not going to take you let me just as if I'm going to wash you guys' brain, but I'm telling you, with what I'm going to introduce you guys to, you can actually make a lot of money by investing into this platform. It's a very easy, it's a cryptocurrency stroke forex trading platform that educates you on how to make money from the space. So guys, as a worker, as a government worker, a 9 to 5 worker is applicable, and a student and a business owner, you can make extra 100 to 300k monthly if you take this serious. Now, what are you going to be doing? Now, I'm going to welcome you guys. I'm the host of this particular presentation. This is Validos. You must have heard about Validos, and I don't know for sure. There's a disclaimer here. I'm not going to be responsible for whatever action you take if you do, but I must tell you, if you do, there's a guarantee that you're going to make a lot of money. So that's just it on a normal way. Now, this is Validos. We have education, we have community, and we have finance. Let's just say the 3 pillars of Validos. Okay, now, who is Validos? Founded in 2021 August, and headquartered in Dubai. 50 years experience in field of network marketing, finance, and education. 100 million revenue the first year. Now, Validos has done this 2023, and it was found 2021, and Validos has done close to approximately going to 2 years now, and we have done the first year's sales about 100 million plus, and we are still doing more. As I'm talking today, as I'm doing this video right away, we are about 400,000. That is 400,000 members in total. Now, Validos membership: V Validos, V Reward, V Community. That is the major pillars of Validos. Brief explanation in the video. Now, V Validos learning platform, wealth education. Now, you get wealth, you get education. Now, your money that you are going to be putting into this platform gives you wealth, one, and gives you education, because you begin to understand how the financial market works on a daily basis. Now V Mastery consists of the video subtitled in various languages that educate you on how you can actually make money from this digital space. Then the We Reward, you get rewarded when you are doing this loyal business, by sharing, just like the way I'm telling you about Validos in this video now, and what Validos do. You get rewarded for that. I assure you get rewarded for that. So we have We Reward. Redeem your point weekly or leave them to accumulate. Points can be redeemed once in a week, and you can actually make money. I'm telling you, you can actually make money. So that is another way of making money, the three major pillars of validators. Now, accumulation is I will do that a video, comprehensive video, explain full presentation review for 2023. I'm going to do that for you guys. Choose your membership. Now we have from first level, which is as low as $50 to $10,000 package. It's better to earn 1% of your money than to earn a whole lot yourself and you be in trouble. You get BP for doing that, and I'm telling you, Validos is the place to be. Now, this is 10% direct sales. As you come on board, there's going to be a link in the description of this video for those who are interested to be part of this team, to be part of this program. You are going to get that link in the description, and when you do that, I am introducing you today. I'm going to get 10%. When you do that, by sharing the opportunity, you get a royal reward of 10%. We have network bonus, which is 10%. We have other bonuses, ranking bonus, 30% passive. You earn without not doing anything. That is one of the beauty of it. Now, this is the reward, the ranking, and how you can actually climb to the rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3. So for me, this is an amazing platform, and I'm telling you, if you use that money, you keep in savings and do your 3x before December, I'm telling you, you'll be in profit. You will be in profit. You will be in profit. I'm saying it again, you'll be in profit. Now, what happened is this. How is this possible for your 80,000 naira to rain into a lot? Just like I said, 3%, talk about 3%, 10%, or whatever. Now, I'm not going to waste much time on this video. Okay, this is the dollar cost average. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Now, if you do, for those who are interested, as I'm doing this video, I'm putting this exchange rate at 800 naira per dollar. Now, let's start with $100 package. If you do the $100 package, you see that by 60 weeks, your 80,000 naira is giving you 280,000 naira. So you must have made your profit of 200,000 naira. You understand now? If you leave it for 120 weeks, this is the duration, that is 1 year. 60 weeks, and this is more than a year, and this is more than 2 years. But we're going to focus on the one of 60 weeks, which is a year, and what I'm talking about. Now, if you do that with your 80,000 naira, you'll be getting this amazing money from this platform at the end of the year, about 200,000 naira. So imagine you have this money in your account. Are you telling me that if you have this fund in your account, you are going to be sure that there's going to be money to be spent for Christmas? So you see that your 3x is already saved. You are just saving this money into this platform. By the time being, even not just for spending for Christmas, you have something to pay your bills at the end of the year, because there are so much that happens at the end of the year that bills keep on accumulating, and that is one of the most times we need money past. So that is why I'm saying you need to come on board. You need to come on board. This is Validos, and I'm telling you, this is one of the amazing. Now, if you do 200,000, I'm going to go around the packages. We have the 8 packages. 200,000 by 60 weeks, you are talking about 700,000 naira. So you have made a profit of 500,000 naira in this season. 500,000. That is, you have made a profit of 500 from your 200. Now, one of the beauty of it is this: they are going to return your capital and profit back to you. You will get your capital and profit. Now, in 4 months, you must have done breaking even in 4 months. So that is it. So if you break even in 4 months, your 200k is safe, and you're all in profit for the rest of the weeks for you to complete 60 weeks. So that is just an amazing thing. Now, if you do 400,000, you are going home with 1.4 million. So you are going home with 1 million naira. If I decide to screenshot a group of mine, and I'll tell you, people that have done this have not regretted. I that is making this video right away have done this and I'm not regretting. So guys, if you find this video helpful, I'm going to do more videos about Validus this year. I'm going to enlighten you how you can actually make profits daily, weekly. What if I say you can actually make $5 weekly or daily? How does it sound to you? That's about 10,000 naira in Nigerian currency as I speak to you now. So guys, thank you for watching. The link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video, and see you in the next video guys. Bye.